Okay, so if you've watched any business channel or read a business news website, you would probably know that the US 30-year bond yield has crossed 5%. Why does this number actually matter and why should you care about it? Well, essentially, the bond yields and the prices of bonds are inversely proportional. So if the bond yields are going up, which they are up at about 5% on the 30-year US bonds, then the prices of those bonds are going down. What does this indicate? An investor essentially does not have a lot of trust in the US government bond, these long term bonds at this point in time, and that is reflected in the rising yields. So, as of Wednesday, the US bond yields shot up about 45 basis points from 4.65% to over 5% now, and that's a significant move in a single day because typically bonds would move only in a range of about 3 to 5 or at best about 10 basis points. Even that should ring alarm bells. So 45 basis points, significant problem. Why is this happening? Well, essentially a lot of concerns have emerged over the macroeconomic strength in the United States of America. Firstly, Moody's cut the outstanding rating of about AAA, which US has been carrying for a very long time. That has been cut now to AA1. That means that Moody's believes that the economic strength in the US is coming down. Moreover, domestic indicators are not looking that great in the US, and there is a bill that is being passed in the US to cut taxes. So if taxes are cut, the government is going to fall short on any revenue, and therefore they will have to go to the market and borrow money using bonds. And if the prices of those bonds are coming down and the yield is going up, that means the government will have to spend more so that they can get that money from the market. Why is this important to you and I in India? Well, essentially, the US is the largest economy in the world, so anything that happens there has an impact on the broader global scenario. So if bond yields there are going up, you are seeing some reactions in India. You are seeing the dollar weakening a little later. The expectation is that over a period of time the dollar should weaken, so that means the rupee starts sharply recovering, sharply strengthening against the dollar, and that would also have an impact on companies which export services in India.